everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video or seeing my face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is SA Unique. So today I want to share a very amazing recipe for unable to have an erection or weak John Thomas. If you have that weak John Thomas, if you wake up in the morning and your body is not waking up with you, this remedy is for you. If you want to see all of this amazing recipe, continue watching. Make sure you watch to the end. So guys, to prepare this natural remedy that will help you to be very strong. So this is onion. You are going to be needing onion. Onion is very, very effective for this natural remedy. So this remedy is going to help you guys. It's really going to help you. So what you are going to be doing is to peel off this onion. You can get about 5 pieces of onion, but I'm using one in my video because I really don't want to waste all my onion in the house since I'm not giving it out now. So you can use 5 pieces of onion. Sorry guys, 4 pieces of onion. You can use 4 pieces of onion. So I'm just going to quickly cut this now. After peeling it off, I'm just going to cut it this way. Add it to my cooking pot. I'm going to be adding some amount of water to cook this. Since you are going to be taking this, preparing for onion, you are going to need enough water that will last you for 2 weeks. You pour in enough water. But I'm going to be adding water now because I have just one onion bulb here. So that is why I will not be adding too much water to it. I'm going to be cooking this. So while that is cooking on the fire, so this is bitter cola. You will also need bitter cola for this recipe. Guys, like if you try this recipe, you are coming back to say thank you because this is so amazing. You are going to be needing about 5 pieces of bitter cola. Now I'm just going to quickly peel this off. So after peeling off the bitter cola, what I'm going to do now is to slice this into tiny pieces that will enable my blender to blend this very well. Now I will add everything to my blender and go and blend. If you don't have strong blender that will help you to blend this properly, you can grate it before blending it, okay? I'm going to blend. I will be right back. So guys, after cooking the onion, this is how it looks like. So what I'm going to be doing is to strain this, because I will be needing the juice. So I will transfer the juice into a container, a tight container that can be covered, okay? Then this is the blended bitter cola. This is it. I will transfer all the blended bitter cola into the jar. This is it. Mix all together. Mix everything together. After then, I will add my organic pure honey inside. Just watch me as I do it. We are going to be adding about 4 tablespoons of the organic honey. Then you mix everything properly together. This is it. So what you are going to be doing is to take half a glass of this. This is half glass. You'll be taking half a glass of this every morning for 2 weeks. So any kind of weakness that always cause this, unable to have an erection, everything will just go like that. You will be very strong. You will be very strong again. This will help you to be very strong. This is going to help you to get rid of any kind of weak erection. Okay? You will be very happy again. Just take this every morning for 2 weeks. This is going to help you out. Okay, guys? So if you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is the bell icon up there. Turn it on so when next I upload, you will be notified of my amazing upload. See you all in my next one. Bye.